I'm your honest engineer, and I'm back to help you again. Because if there's one thing I've learned, it's that most people unknowingly make small mistakes that turn into big problems later. So let me ask you something important. Have you ever been driving your car, everything seems fine, and thought, yeah, my car's running great? It's a comforting thought, isn't it? But what if I told you that your engine might actually be silently screaming for help, even when it sounds and feels okay? This happens more often than you think, and the cause is usually rooted in old beliefs we've picked up over the years about engine oil. These outdated ideas sound logical on the surface, and maybe they were true a few decades ago. But with modern engines and improved technology, those myths aren't just wrong. They could be costing you money, reducing your car's performance, and even shortening your engine's life by years. So, are you making these common, costly mistakes without realizing it? Let's explore the top 10 myths about engine oil that even experienced drivers and car lovers still believe. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll look at engine oil in a whole new way. And the final myth? That one might completely change how you care for your vehicle from now on. Let's kick things off with a classic misconception. If your motor oil is black, it must be bad. At first glance, it makes perfect sense. After all, we usually connect black with dirt and waste. But here's the real story. Motor oil turning black is actually a good sign. It means it's doing its job. As oil flows through the engine, it picks up tiny particles of soot and byproducts from the combustion process. It also changes color because of the heat and oxidation. So, black oil doesn't mean it's no longer useful. It means it's working hard to clean your engine and carry away those impurities. What you should actually pay attention to is how the oil feels. Take a small drop between your fingers. If it feels gritty or rough, then yes, it's probably time for an oil change. But if it's still smooth and slick, you might not need to rush to the garage just yet. No need to waste money changing it too early. Now, let's tackle another popular myth. Thicker oil gives better protection. This one can actually harm your engine. It's easy to believe that thicker means stronger, but engines don't work that way. Modern engines are built with very tight tolerances, meaning all the parts fit together with extreme precision. Thick oil can struggle to flow quickly through those tight spaces, especially when the engine is cold. This means the engine parts don't get lubricated fast enough during startup, one of the times they need it most. Think about those cold winter mornings when your car takes a little longer to start or sounds sluggish. Using thick oil only makes it worse. Unless your car's manual specifically says to use a higher viscosity oil, stick with the recommended type. It will protect your engine better, reduce wear, and even improve fuel economy. Here's another myth that just won't go away. Synthetic oil causes leaks. This belief dates back to the early days of synthetic oils when they were first introduced in the 1970s. Back then, the formulas weren't as advanced, and in some cases, they could shrink seals or expose old cracks. But today, synthetic oils are specifically engineered to work well with modern engines and seal materials. They actually help preserve and protect seals instead of damaging them. So why do people still report leaks after switching to synthetic? Simple. Those leaks were already there, hidden by sludge and buildup from the older oil. Synthetic oil is a better cleaner, so when it removes the sludge, the underlying wear becomes visible. It's not the synthetic oil creating the problem, it's revealing a problem that already existed. Here's another one I hear a lot. Once you go synthetic, you can't go back. Nope. Your engine doesn't have a memory. Switching between synthetic and conventional oil is perfectly fine, as long as you use the right viscosity and follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Sure, synthetic oil has advantages, especially in extreme temperatures or for high-performance driving, but you're not locked into it forever. Now, let's talk about oil filters. Some people think they can save a few bucks by skipping the filter change when they change the oil. But would you take a shower and then put on the same dirty clothes from the day before? That's what it's like using fresh oil with an old filter. The oil filter is crucial because it traps dirt, debris, and metal particles that the oil picks up. If it's clogged or dirty, those contaminants go right back into your engine. And worse, a clogged filter might restrict oil flow completely, which could lead to serious engine damage. Always replace the oil filter when you change your oil. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. Now, let's dive into additives. Ever stood in an auto parts store, staring at all those bottles that promise to stop leaks, boost performance, or clean your engine in minutes? It's tempting to think they all do the same thing. But here's the truth. Additives aren't one size fits all. Each one is designed for a specific purpose. Some help with high-mileage engines by conditioning old seals. Others protect against extreme pressure in high-performance cars. Using the wrong additive can upset the careful balance of chemicals in your oil. That could make your oil less effective, or even cause damage. So don't guess. Check your owner's manual and stick to products that are recommended for your vehicle. Here's a popular fantasy. Just pour in this bottle, and your engine will run smoother, faster, and cleaner. It sounds like magic, doesn't it? But in reality, no additive is going to fix a mechanical problem or boost horsepower overnight. Additives can help good oil do its job better, like preventing sludge or reducing wear in harsh conditions. But they're support tools, not miracle cures. If your engine has a real issue, no bottle on a shelf is going to fix it. Speaking of shelves, let's bust another myth. If the oil bottle is sealed, it's still good, no matter how old it is. This is dangerous thinking. Oil, like everything else, has a shelf life. Even if it's never been opened, the additives inside begin to break down over time. After a few years, it won't protect your engine like it should. Most oils are good for around 5 years if stored properly, cool, dry, and away from sunlight. Always check the expiration date or manufacturing date. Don't risk your engine with expired oil. And here's a big one. Only sports cars need synthetic oil. Wrong again. Synthetic oil isn't just for high-performance cars. It offers better protection against heat, reduces sludge, and keeps your engine cleaner in any type of vehicle. In fact, many everyday cars and trucks are designed to run on synthetic oil because it helps extend engine life and improve efficiency. So whether you're driving a minivan or a pickup truck, don't overlook the benefits of synthetic oil. Finally, let's debunk this last myth. There's no need for special oil in older cars. Actually, high-mileage engines face unique challenges like worn seals, increased friction, and a higher risk of leaks. High-mileage oil is specially formulated with additives that target these problems. It can help reduce oil consumption, slow leaks, and protect aging engine parts. If your car has over 75,000 miles on it, switching to high-mileage oil is one of the smartest moves you can make. So now that we've uncovered these 10 engine oil myths, how many of them did you believe? Remember, taking care of your engine doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, but believing these common myths could end up costing you more than just money. If you want your car to last longer, run better, and avoid surprise repairs, stick to facts and follow your manufacturer's advice. Don't fall for outdated ideas or clever marketing tricks. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to know this. I'm your honest engineer, always here to help you and your car run smoother. See you next time.